Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make an alternate Discord account. Creating an alternate Discord account can help you separate personal chats from gaming, business, or community use. Many users create a second account for privacy or managing different servers. In this guide, you'll learn how to make an alternate Discord account on Windows. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and make sure to connect to the internet. Open your preferred web browser or access the Discord on the desktop app. If you are logged in, click the user settings icon, scroll down and click log out and confirm. On the login screen, click register. Enter a new email address different from your main account. Provide a display name and create a unique username. Create a strong password. Enter your date of birth. Click this option and click continue or create account. Complete the CAPTCHA verification if prompted. Then check the new email inbox for a verification message. Click the verify email link inside the email. And finally, return to your Discord and log in with your new alternate account. Tip: you can switch between accounts easily by logging out or using a different browser profile. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.